Hello fellow gardeners. Today let's explore the no-till raised bed garden, a true game changer. Instead of digging and tilling, we build healthy soil from the top down. This method saves effort, protects soil life, and creates a garden that improves every year. Tilling disrupts beneficial fungi, bacteria, and earthworms. No-till protects this underground ecosystem. Healthier soil means healthier, tastier vegetables and fewer weeds over time. Think of your soil as a living web, full of microorganisms working together. When we till, we destroy this structure. No-till respects it. We simply add organic matter on top, letting worms and microbes do the work. They pull nutrients down, create tunnels for air and water, and build rich, fertile soil. This approach is sustainable and perfect for beginners or experienced gardeners. You'll create a low-maintenance, high-yield garden that gets better with age. It's about working with nature, not against it. Let's build a permanent garden bed that thrives for years. Ready to get started? Let's build a no-till raised bed together. No digging, just smart layering. Your garden will thank you. Let's dive in. The first step, choose the right spot for your garden bed. Most veggies need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sun. Watch your yard throughout the day to find the sunniest area. A 4-foot wide bed is ideal. You can reach the middle from either side, keeping soil loose. Length is flexible, but make sure you can walk around the bed easily. Good access makes planting and harvesting simple. Now, let's prepare the ground. No digging needed. Lay plain cardboard over the grass, overlapping edges by 6 inches. This blocks sunlight, smothering weeds and grass below. The cardboard breaks down over time, feeding earthworms and improving soil. Remove any plastic tape or labels from the cardboard. Earthworms love cardboard and will help build your soil. This is your first step to a weed-free, fertile bed. No shovel required, just smart planning. Let's move on to building the bed itself. With your foundation set, it's time to build the frame. Use untreated wood, metal panels, concrete blocks, or stones, whatever fits your style and budget. A height of 10 to 12 inches gives roots plenty of room. Place the frame over your cardboard base. Now let's start with rough woody material, twigs, branches, or wood chips, for drainage. Next, add green material, kitchen scraps, grass clippings, or leaves for nitrogen. Spread a generous layer to fuel decomposition. On top, add several inches of finished compost. This is your main growing medium. Finally, top with mulch straw, shredded leaves, or wood chips. Mulch protects soil, holds moisture, and blocks weeds. Don't worry about perfection, nature isn't neat. Each layer plays a role in building healthy soil. Your no-dig bed is now ready for planting. You've created a living system that will only get better. No heavy lifting, just smart layering. Let's see how these layers work together. On to the next step. Why do these layers matter? They mimic how soil forms in nature. In forests, organic matter falls, breaks down, and creates rich humus. No tilling needed. Woody materials at the bottom improve drainage. Green materials add nitrogen. Compost is the heart, full of beneficial microbes that feed your plants. Mulch on top keeps moisture in, regulates temperature, and blocks weeds. Over time, earthworms and microbes pull everything down, mixing and enriching the soil. No-till means you never disturb this living system. Each year your soil gets deeper, darker, and more fertile. You're building a long-term asset for your garden. Healthy soil means fewer pests and diseases. The result? Stronger, more productive plants. This is a permanent solution, not a quick fix. Let nature do the hard work. Now let's talk about planting and care. Your no-till bed is built. When can you plant? If you use mature compost, plant seeds or starts right away. Just pull back mulch, plant, and cover. If compost isn't fully broken down, wait a few weeks for decomposition to start. Patience pays off with healthier plants. For long-term care, simply add a fresh layer of compost and mulch each year. No digging needed. Leave old roots in place to decompose and feed the soil. Each season, your soil improves and your plants thrive. You'll see fewer weeds, pests, and diseases as your garden's ecosystem balances itself. No-till gardening means less work and more harvest. You're building a sustainable, low-maintenance garden. Enjoy delicious, healthy food for years to come. Start your no-till journey today. Happy gardening!